this is Nate at Tailored Detail WëRKS, and today we're going to be talking about this. This is a 2025 Porsche 911, spec'd out in beautiful jet black metallic paint with a Cabriolet top. This car stands for everything a Porsche 911 is known for. It's refined, aggressive, and timeless. What makes it one of the most desirable driver's cars for enthusiasts. This customer was brought to us by a longtime client of ours, and we wanted to give him the best experience. Of course, that's what he deserves. He had a brand new car coming in that was one that he has been dreaming about for a long time, and he had no plans of moving on from this car once it came in. So we wanted to give him the best level of protection so that he can enjoy this car with peace of mind. We decided to move forward with front end paint protection film and a full ceramic coating with our top line package, providing the best level of protection on the entire vehicle. On a Porsche 911 that's brand new, this example only having 15 miles on the odometer, paint protection film coverage is a no-brainer. Porsche 911s have proven to only be going up in value in today's market, and one of the most crucial components to that is proper protection from the start. The Porsche 911 has a beautiful body style, though it's very prone to taking on damage from things like rock chips, road debris, and with this specific one having black paint, scratches. So we opted for full front coverage. While the panels on a 911 might look smooth, they are very curved, which can make installation more tedious. One example is the front bumper, which has pretty hard curve on each side of it. We were able to lay this film seamlessly. Ultimately, it just requires a little bit more skill and attention than your typical vehicle. The other aspect that made the installation more tedious is the jet black metallic paint, which can show any imperfection. This just requires us to put extra focus on making sure our work area is extra clean, and our installation process is slow and methodical so that we can bring the best results to our customer. This vehicle received a full paint correction followed by installation of our flagship ceramic coating. Our most durable ceramic coating was installed on all paint, along with all the PPF, all glass, wheel faces, plastic and trim components, all the way down to the door jambs, and even the convertible top. The reason why we install ceramic coatings on top of our paint protection film as a standard is because our coatings bring a new range of benefits to our customer's car. These benefits involve self-cleaning capabilities, easy maintenance, increased levels of gloss, and protection from the elements and things like bird droppings and bug guts. The most rewarding part of projects like this is seeing our customers smile with pride when they pick it up. They brought us a brand new vehicle before even being able to take it out on the road. This car was our customer's dream of purchasing, and it means a lot to us to have the trust to work on a vehicle like that. Thank you for checking out what we do here at Tailored Detail WëRKS. Whether you bring us an icon like this 911 or your daily driver, I can assure you that we'll treat it with the same passion, precision, and pride that we do to every customer's car. If you're ready to protect and personalize your vehicle, we would love to help bring your vision to life. You can stop by our shop or give us a call at 856-724-2029. If you want to see more content like this or just love awesome cars, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.